Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. And today, yes, I've been waiting on this day, okay? And my wife made it happen. Thank you, babe. So, as you can see in the title, this is the unboxing of the Neewer ring light. The lights you see right now, I'm just in my room. This is just the natural light coming from this big one that we have. But I've been ranting and raving, watching reviews, reading reviews, all types of stuff about this light. Now the first light I seen was the Diva ring light. And I'm like,
everybody about to pay how much money for a light.
So I just kept doing my research. And this Neewer ring light just kept coming up saying, Crystal, buy me. Yes, it was sitting on my porch like this. So it wasn't a box. Like this wasn't inside another box. So we're about to get into this unboxing. And I'm purposely looking like this because I've been waiting on my ring light. Now, I will say, y'all, okay, my wife purchased this from Amazon. I will make sure I put that link down below. But when I was reading the reviews, it was quite a few. But then watching like the reviews and different unboxing videos, I'm like, oh my God, these people have been throwing away their stand. Because you're not looking at the bottom of the box. I don't know if you can see that. There's another box at the end, at the bottom, once you take the ring light out. And that is your stand. This piece right here, I believe, is the hot shoe where you will attach your camera. Right here, it's adjustable. This part right here, I see a lot of people don't know what it is, but it just makes the stand taller. This one right here, it just makes the stand, you know, your ring light taller, which I probably won't use. I'm not sure, but if needed, you know, I'll use it. Cause I'm sure. The knobs for adjusting or whatnot. I'm going to lift this up, and this is the part the ring light is going to stand on. I'm going to, oh, that hurts. I'm going to lock that, and then I'm going to lift it. And I'm going to get to this lovely baby right here. I feel like it's Christmas. And bam! There you go! Very secure. And now see, I've seen some people's ring lights, like I said, that box will come in the box and then that outside box didn't say fragile. But the actual ring light box does says fragile on it. And I think it's pretty secure. This is some thick ass foam. Okay, I have the this better angle. I probably should have did this from the get-go. But before I take that out, because I'm excited, like I'm really excited, y'all. It has the little Neewer customer support little paper right here. And if I can get it, like this foam is really good, so I'm almost certain that I don't think anything's broken, but you never know. So I hope not. I will cry right here. But here go both of the sets of diffusers. And this one right here is the orange one, the more of a warmer tone one. And then the other set are the frost colored diffusers that I came with. And for the moment of truth, baby. Here's my light. Hey. Oh, I can't wait. I like this bag. I really do like this bag. That is a good bag. As you can see, guys, here is my light. Okay. Hope you guys can see this. And I'm gonna scoot my ass a little closer. These are the adjustable. You can see this that way. Ooh. How it's sitting straight up. It can lean downward like that if need be. I'll show you that once I get it on the stand. But here's the light. It's covered by these plastic clamps right here. It's definitely pretty secure. And what else? Here, this is the dimmable one. So the knob to dim it from highest to lowest is right here. And I'm going to cut that back off. You get a click. So when I plug it up, it don't just blind me. Taylor. Okay, now the hot shoot that will go right here, this is what your camera will sit on and it will go right here. Now I don't have a camera and I have to get the cell phone part that attaches to here. But in the meantime, in between time, I'm going to be using what I've been using. So I'm just going to set this up. Whew. That's some shit right there. Look at that. Oh! And I look a mess. I just show you more how much of a mess I look like. Okay. I'm gonna cut that off. Now I'll be back and I'm gonna show you with my curtains closed so you can see how. Okay, you guys, so you can kind of see me, but clearly you can't. I have on no lights. Matter of fact, let me cut my TV off even though it's on a dark screen. Okay, that didn't make a difference, but I have no lights on. It is daytime. I'm going to turn on the ring light again. And yeah, let me try to focus. Whoo! This is some shit. Oh my God. Okay. Ooh. That's at its brightest, okay? Ooh. Hey! I'm so happy. I don't even have on no makeup. Like, y'all see all my imperfections and marks and scars and shit. But I wanted to make this video as real as possible. This does not bother me. This is at its brightest, okay? Damn. Y'all see how dark it was in this room. This is just off of the ring light. Like, this is crazy. I've seen so many reactions, but it's different when you see on. Like, I can't wait to do my makeup. Like, I can't wait to do a whole bunch of shit. Whoo, I love it. Okay, let me dim it down. Let me show you at its lowest. That's at its lowest. And that's kind of okay. Unless like I'm kind of close. That's still good because it's really dark in here. I really like this light. I like this light. Oh, I see what people be feeling though. I see it. This light. Neewer, y'all have outdid y'all so times 1,000. Like, I love this fucking light. Oh my god. Yes, I love this light. Oh my god. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box down below. Make sure, man, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you are already not subscribed. Thank you for watching this video. Thumbs up on the Neewer ring light. And it is the 18-inch diameter, then the 14 in the center. And it came with everything it said it was coming with. And I definitely love this bag. This bag is so sturdy. Like, I'm loving the bag and how everything came in it, all the diffusers. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you guys how to look with the diffusers. I'm going to start with the orange diffusers. This light make you want to do videos and take pictures. Like,
Bitch, what you doing? Taking pictures?
yes, I'm serious. Like, because it just makes everything just come together. Like, that's the best way I can describe it. It just make everything come together, and I'm loving this light. I have to send my wife a picture of this. She want to see it when it's up. I guess she want to see what the hell she paid for. Okay, you guys, so I'm back, and I'm hurrying to do this before one of these diffuser pieces fall off, because I don't have them on tightly, like they snap, but I have them up there good enough to where you'll be able to see. So I'm gonna turn on my light. That's at its brightest with the orange diffuser, so that's still not too bad. I actually love it still. I like that. Okay. So that is with the orange diffusers. I really don't feel like messing around with the other diffusers. That is going to conclude my unboxing of my Neewer ring light. I will put everything down below in the description box. I appreciate you guys watching this. I'm so excited. I recommend this ring light for anybody that's starting YouTube videos like myself, photography, makeup, anything where you need that extra oomph of light to make everything look really clear and crisp. Go get the ring light. And make sure you click that notifications bell so you see when I upload a new video, because these boys about to be coming, I tell you, okay? So thanks again for watching my video, and I will see you next time. Bye.